If you are looking for inner peace and get away from stresses of urban life, then think about of going to a pilgrimage trip up to Cau Mountain in Binh Duong Province. The first stop at Cau Mountain is Tay Son Pagoda, which is located just halfway up the mountain. Now this pagoda is very unique with architectural features that comes with a 36-meter high tower and a 12-meter Bodhisattva statue. Introducing my good-looking student, Mr. Ken! Somebody volunteered to join me, so this time I wasn't alone trekking. Ken used to be my student in the language center that I used to teach. Before we ascended, monks offered us free lunch, so it was great, guys. We were full. While we were on our way to the top, we saw a lot of garbage around the mountain. And this is very disheartening because people are destroying the mountain. Ken and I wanted to continue climbing so we could have a panoramic view of Dau Tieng Lake. We took 1,000 stone steps to reach the peak of Cau Mountain. Just outside Tay Son Pagoda are shops that you may want to visit for some gift items. What caught my attention was this green-like kind of a refreshment. I don't know what that is. I forgot to ask Ken about it, but you may want to try it, guys. Who knows, you will like it. Nui Baden. What? Yeah, Nui Baden. Yeah. I was so amazed, guys, because from afar I could see Nui Baden, the tallest mountain in South Vietnam. I'm burning away all the pains, all the sorrows. It was almost midnight when I heard voices outside my tent. Out of curiosity, I went out to check what was going on and saw these young men catching fish with their bare hands. To my surprise, my student Ken was even there, so I decided to join them. It was really fun. Later, these tiny creatures ended up in the grill. Good morning. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I missed the sunrise. I woke up late. Oh, what a beautiful scenery. And the campers. That small tree, it is where I put my tent last night. And I climbed the tip of that mountain yesterday. Dau Tieng Lake is indeed a perfect place for camping. Since it is far away from the residential area, it has a crystal-like clean water. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is Sushi. Always remember, not all those who wander are lost. Goodbye.